Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome once again to the It's Not Nearly as Much of a Mess Hall at Dr. Jet Laboratories. The drywall crew has come and gone. There are no holes in the ceilings. I don't know if you're getting this, but there are no holes in the ceilings. The dust crew will be coming by in a day or two, and eventually the painting crew. In the meantime, there's been a whole bunch of thinking about things, inventing things, but no making stuff. But what I have been doing is shipping off kits. Here's an Atlas kit. Here's a stack of short circuit kits. This particular one is going to Richard West in Port Orange, Florida. From what I know about Florida, I'll bet you he has lots of places to run boats. Here in Southern California, it's a desert and bodies of water are few and far between. As I understand, Florida is mere inches above sea level. Anyway, I'm sending these out. What I've had to do, just because, is I'm taking this nice red duct tape and strengthening these corners, because the stringers, hello, these long parts right here, go from this very corner to this very corner. So I'm adding a little bit of duct tape here just to protect these things from shipping. You never know what the gorillas at the post office are going to do. If something gets broken, let me know and I'll send you a new one. So don't worry about that. So there you go. Just a quick update to whore out my 1/20 scale kits. The challenge is coming up in spring. I want to see you guys build some cool and fast 1/20 scale hydroplanes, the short circuit and the Atlas. And remember, those two kits will do just a whole bunch of hauls. So have at it. And until next time, jet out.